Hello guys and welcome to another episode. For this episode I'm working on this 2005 Chevy Colorado with a manual transmission. Now, truck has a check engine light. We wanna see what's going on with it and hopefully fix the issue. But first we need to know what's going on with it. Now, I have this new scanner from Ancel. This is the AD610 Pro wireless. This scanner is gonna have lifetime updates long as you connect it to Wi-Fi. It's really good scanner. You can check pretty much everything. And when I say everything on a vehicle, pretty much everything. You can check and test all the circuit solenoids. You can check the SRS, ABS. You can go to live data. You can do the steering wheel angle. And when I say everything, it's pretty much everything with this scanner. So let's put it to the test and see what's going on with this vehicle. Cable to plug it in, charge it. Cable for the OBD2 and the scanner itself. So a really good compact design, but it's the Pro version of the AD610. Plug the scanner first, then turn the ignition on. And now we are on the main menu. First time I'm using it as well, so we're gonna see together how good this scanner is. On the first screen you're gonna see the auto VIN. It's gonna read the VIN number automatically. You have the ABS, SRS, airbags. You're gonna be able to reset airbags. Scanners, cheap scanners, they're not gonna do that. You're gonna be able to reset any codes in case that you have to remove your airbags for some reason. You're changing the steering wheel, or probably you working on your newer vehicle and removing the side airbags for some reason. Probably you have to remove the seats for some reason, and you're gonna have codes on the airbags. A lot of scanners they're not gonna do that. You're gonna be able to reset it with this scanner. OBD2 is gonna check and read codes, the history of the vehicle in case that you're buying a new vehicle and somebody reset the codes just to sell it. You're gonna be able to see the history. SAS, like I said, on newer vehicles you're gonna be able to perform the steering angle, fix it, correct it, erase the code, and update. Like I said before, free updates as long as you are connected to the Wi-Fi. So we go here, OBD2, press enter. It's gonna go to auto scan. It's communicating with the vehicle, so let's wait until it start reading. Codes found 1. The monitors that it has 4. Monitors okay 7. Okay, F3 to save, or okay F1. Let's press F1. Okay, let's check the diagnostic. P1133. Yep. Switching back one oxygen sensor. You can go right here to freeze frame with F2, and it's communicating with the vehicle. Calculating value 66.7%. You can go down. Engine coolant temperature. Bang 1. It checks pretty much everything. Ignition, timing advantage, cylinder number, cylinder 1. Okay, so let's go back. Everything, all the information is here. You can go to I am readiness. See the status of the vehicle. Fuel system, everything looks okay. Okay, everything's okay in there. Now live data, we did that. Now right here I did a quick scan. I go to auto VIN, the one in the corner, so it reads automatically the VIN number, and then I went here, so it's checking the vehicle. I put all the information on this 2005. Now it has the anti-lock brake system failure. Three codes in there. Let's see what's going on with them, because on the engine only it shows only the oxygen sensor. Now that I'm gonna check here, after this I'm gonna go back and read the code, see if that oxygen sensor code came back. Combination dash international module class 2 link low device one low voltage. So this is the 3 codes. We're gonna save them. Yeah, we're gonna put Chevy. Okay, then we can go back. Let's erase the codes while we're here. Engine on and engine not running. Yes. Okay, everything is clear. Now let's go back. It really encodes again. Nothing. It doesn't show anything yet. Okay. Yeah, let's go back. That was the quick scan. Let's go back. That was out of in, like I said. Now let's go back to the codes. Enter, auto scan. Let's see if that oxygen sensor code came back. Code 0. So we erase it and everything looks clear for now. I'm gonna wait on that. Probably the customer is gonna have to drive the car for a little bit. Then we'll see. Now this is a really complete scanner. You got data management settings on the bottom, and pretty much you can go to everything. If we go to history, that's what we saved today. So pretty good, complete. I haven't seen anything. I had to check more to see if I can find transmission code related or look for transmission codes. Obviously with this one probably doesn't show because it's a manual transmission. That's going to be for the automatics. That's why probably I don't see any information. And this scan is going to work really good with 2024 models. Why? Because it's going to work with cars, SUV, minivans, light duty trucks, and also it's going to identify cars quickly. As you can see, the scanner also is going to allow you to temporarily activate and control ABS, airbag systems, all the components. It's going to check the electronic components, like I said before, switches, sensors, relays, actuators. This is an older vehicle, that's why I couldn't demonstrate that. But on newer 2022, 23, 24 vehicles, it's gonna be able to operate pretty much everything on the vehicle. Really good scanner. I do recommend it. Link in the description if you wanna get it, because the pro version of this AD610 is really good. I recommend it.